So let's go to question number 4. For question number 4, we have 2 over 3 root 5 minus 4 all square. So before, this place was 6, it was supposed to be 5. So now let's solve this. Now you can see that there is a square here. So we are going to sort that out before we start rationalizing. So that will be, so you can write the question as 2 over 3 root 5 minus 4 in brackets, then 3 root 5 minus 4. So we've just expand the bracket. I mean the square rather, not the bracket. So we are going to use what we have here to multiply what we have in the second bracket. So we have 2 over, now 3 root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5. So what we are going to have is 3 times 3 is 9 times 5, because root 5 times root 5 is 5. So we have 3 times 3 times 5. So that will give us 45. So 3 root 5 multiplied by minus 4, we will have minus 12 root 5. Then now you use minus 4 to multiply what we have in this bracket. So minus 4 times 3 root 5, it will give us minus 12 root 5. So minus 4 times minus 4, that will give us plus 16. So let me continue here. So we have 2 over, so 45 plus 16, that is going to give us 61. 45 plus 16, then minus 12 root 5 minus 12 root 5, that will give us minus 24 root 5. So this is what we are going to rationalize. So let me write it down here. We have 2 over 61 minus 24 root 5. So to rationalize, that will be multiplied by 61 plus 24 root 5 over 61 plus 24 root 5. Don't forget I said if you have negative here, by the time we are rationalizing, it will be positive on this part. So both the numerator and denominator will be positive. So now let's multiply. So 2 multiplied by all this, so that's 2 times 61, that will be 122. So 2 multiplied by 24 root 5, that will be plus 48 root 5. Then down to the denominator. So 61 times 61, that will give us 3,721. So if you examine the denominator, you will see that this is difference of 2 square. And if you remember when we are looking at the rules of surd, basic rules of surd in the part 1, so when we have difference of 2 square, that is, here we have minus and here we have plus. So we can just pick the first one and multiply it by the first one of the other one, and then the second one multiplied by the second one of on the other bracket. This is what I mean. So now we've multiplied 61 times 61, which gives us 3,721. So we can go ahead and multiply 24 minus 24 root 5 plus 24 root 5. Reason is, if you should multiply 61 by plus 24 root 5 and then minus 24 root 5 with 61, they are going to cancel each other. So now minus 24 root 5 plus 24 root 5, so that will give us minus 2,880. So if you should simplify it further, we are going to have 122 plus 48 root 5 over, so 3,721 minus 2,880, so that will give us 841. So this is the answer to question number 4. So as usual, this is question number 5. So I want you to attempt it and let me know if you arrive at the correct answer. So question number 5 is 8 minus 3 root 6 over 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. So the answer to this is, so let me give you the answer. So the answer to this, if you solve it, you arrive at 42 root 2 minus 34 root root 3 over 6. So this is the answer to question number 5. I would want you to attempt it and let me know in the comments if you arrive at this answer. So I'll see you in the in the next part of this video, which is the part 6.